How to look expensive. Body. 1. Take care of your hair, nails, skin. 2. Choose clothes in neutral colors. 3. Prioritize quality over quantity. 4. Trust your own style instincts. 5. Clean and protect your shoes regularly. Mind. 1. Understand what you want and what you need. 2. Strengths and weaknesses. 3. Build self-confidence from within. 4. Listen to your intuitions. 5. Practice gratitude. I hope these rules and regulations will help you a lot to overcome on your problems. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. May God bless all of you. Amen.